2, mixing. Number 3, precision. And number 4, cleanup. Let's get happy! For the layering technique, I'm going to use blue and yellow. Those are such pretty colors. Thank you. While I push this into the heart, can you roll that out? Yeah. Thank you. This is layering. See how the yellow sits on top of the blue? Whoa, that's so cool. It's like 3D jewelry. For my hack, I'm going to be mixing 2 colors. For the mixing hack, you're going to mix all your colors together until it makes the perfect mixture. After you're done mixing your colors, put it in your jewelry. Just like this? Yeah, it looks really good. With the leftover glitter dots, let's make this bracelet together! Our bracelet looks perfect. Totally. The colors look great together. For the third hack, we are doing precision! And I'm going to make this square turn into 2 triangles with purple and red. Those are perfect triangles. Thanks! It's so awesome how evenly the purple and the red are divided in a line. Yeah, totally. And for the last hack, it's clean up! Whoa, this is really easy to clean up with the glitter dot. Just use your glitter dot to pick up the leftover glitter. After showing you all these hacks, it's time for the fashion show!
Crayola glitter dots can be found at the Crayola aisle at your local store.